So my domain is IoT, that is Internet of Things, and in this presentation, I would be explaining about what is IoT, its importance, and some applications. So, what basically is Internet of Things? It is a massive network that interconnects things and people, devices, and objects with well built in sensors are linked to an IoT platform, which incorporates data from various devices and uses analytics to share the most valuable information with applications designed to meet specific needs. Why is that, why is Internet of Things that important in this generation? IoT is regarded as a significant frontier that can improve almost all activities in our life. By 2020, the world sets to be completely IoT oriented. It provides a platform that creates opportunities for people to connect these devices and control them with a big data technology, which in return promotes an efficiency in performance, economic benefits, and minimizes the need for human involvement. Let us see some applications which are used frequently. Some of our body applications. Uh, So, from checking the fetus to it is flesh and blood, we can check its all the stages and how it is grown, everything to through IoT. Also, from our in our busy schedule, we often forget small things like taking medicines, drinking water, etc. We can also get a reminder for such things using the applications of IoT. We can also track our activity levels, like how many steps did we walk daily, or what is the heartbeat right now, pulse rate, and all such things can be just checked through simply just wearing a watch in a hand or some software on the phone. So this is all IoT. We can also track a person, like where the person is currently going, where he is, where he was 10 minutes ago, and all that stuff using IoT. Um, let's check some of the house applications which are connected to IoT. Nowadays, we know there are smart kitchens and stuff, so we can also using IoT that becomes easier for us. We can also avoid disasters. We usually don't know if there is a gas leak in our house or something, so there are alarms for that, and we can be pre-notified and then take actions on the things. Also, so let us check some of the applications which are used in our city. As we know, cleanliness is the most important aspect of an ideal city, and cleanliness can now be maintained using the technology, making it clean as well as a smart city. So, for keeping streets clean, we can use IoT, and the sensors can notify when the trash can is full. So, the municipal services can take the further actions. We can also receive pollution warnings. As we know, the gases and the stuff emitted through pollution is not really beneficial for our health, and so we can try to control the level by knowing the warnings and stuff. Also, we can check on the light streets, and we can also there are other features like maps and stuff. So we can, through satellites and all, we can know that where we have to go, from which road we should take, and all that things. As we know, Internet of Things is all about connect interconnection of people and things. So let's check some of the industrial applications. As we know, in industries there are big machines and all the mechanical stuff. So maintenance and repairing is very essential and very basic. So we need to keep a check on the equipments. So for that also we can use sensor, and we can be notified if there's anything wrong with the machine, or if it needs to be repaired or things, so that the industry runs very easily and smoothly. We can also monitor the things going on in the industry using IoT. Also, we can maintain safety, as it is very important during the industrial working and all. So alerts are directly sent through email, phone call, or alarm, or sort of things, so we can uh, be safe and take the necessary precautions. And some of the environmental applications, like tracking water to avoid the future calamities like flood and all the other things. So if we can track the water level, we can know that if we are in danger or not. We also get advanced warnings related to all the natural calamities and the natural disasters, like landslides and earthquakes and stuff, so we can take the necessary precautions and be safe. Monitoring, as I said, monitoring pollution level, it is so important, and keeping track of the things like weather forecast and soil levels and pesticide usage in agriculture and stuff, which is also really helpful for us. And it is, the Internet of Things has made all this very easy. In schools and colleges, like for education and stuff, this is really very important now. As we know, due to the current situation, we have to do all the things online, and this is all Internet of Things doing, connecting people and things, and so making the education go smoothly, and like we don't have to stop anywhere due to the situations. So all these stuffs we can do through like IoT in school and college, like for education sector. So this is the, like these are the overall applications, and like their social score and stuff. So as in this graph, we can see from 2010 to 2020, in just 10 years, the rate of IoT and its devices has reached very far. It is literally going by 5x speed, like into 5 times better than any other technology that has been recruited or that has been executed. So Internet of Things being the fastest of that and the most helpful, it is rapidly increasing. So basically, IoT abounds with complexities and opportunities. 87% of the people who use these devices declare that they won't give up on their benefits, and of course, why should they, if it makes our life so much easier? And this shows that the importance of IoT is progressively acquiring in the lives of people in all different sectors. So, IoT is a transformation that has just begun but is now going to rule the world in the future. Thank you.